Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how to paint crown molding and baseboards. What you're going to need is a foam brush and some Scotch-Brite, some steel wool. I put some crown molding up and I puttied over it. You don't have to be super perfect whenever you do it, because you take some steel wool, go in here, give it a nice sand, clean up around the edges, make it a smoother transition. So now it looks like you have a good smooth transition. You're going to take just a foam brush, have a little paint. Time to go to the next one. When this is nice and dry, I'll go back and I'll use my caulking gun and I'll throw a thin layer of caulk down, clean it with my finger, and then paint over it. Now that we did the top one, we'll jump down to the bottom, show a couple of the bottom. I did the crown molding, now I got the baseboards in, and as you can see, I don't like to use a nail gun or a finishing gun. I countersink the screw in and then paint afterward. Putty and paint.